Welcome to the Genius LMS. This tutorial video assumes you are using the LMS for tracking and managing training and not for online learning. The online learning is a separate tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you the benefits of using the Genius LMS and how we navigate around the system and how we manage and track our training. So firstly, if I go to Orders, I can see all of my orders here. I can see the order number, I can see who placed the order. I can download files, so I can download things like joining instructions. I can print the joining instructions off. The joining instructions includes a Google map, which is fully integrated with Google SatNav. So if you're using joining instructions on your phone, the SatNav will take you straight to the venue. If I go back to the orders, and if I go into one of my orders, just click on the order number, I can see all of the order information, and this is an order that I've not paid for yet, so I can click the button to make payment by credit card, and this is all secure. All of my personal details are pre-filled, so all I need to do is click to make the payment. So I'll go back to the order. I can add a purchase order number. All of my order details are here. I can download files. All of the download files will be available once the payment has been made for the order. If I go to quotes, I can view quotes that my training provider has provided for me. Just click on the quote. I have all the quote information. Again, I can download attached files to the quote. It just shows a sample file. You can click to download the file. Scrolling down, we've got the quote information. I've already accepted this quote, but you would have a red or a green button to either accept or reject the quote. I can manage my learners. Go to learners, I have a list of all of my learners here. So if I click on Amber, I can see all of her personal information here. I can make any changes so long as I click Save. I can view download files. I can view Amber's learning progress. I can view Amber's required qualifications. So these are qualifications that she's required to have, and as we can see for a couple of them, she doesn't have them. We can always adding new required qualifications here. We've got attendance registers, although none are showing for this learner. We've got exam results, and then we have qualification renewals. So this is qualifications that this learner has and when the qualification will expire and when it needs renewing. So let's look at qualification renewal reminders. So Genius has a built-in system where the system sends email reminders to the learner and to the person that places the booking, reminding them that qualifications are due to expire. So we have all of the information displayed here. We have the exam date, we have the qualification status, whether it's in date or out of date, and we can reorder that. We can also download all of this information to a CSV file or copy or print it, and we can search by name or by qualification, and the results are updated instantly. So let's look at the Learner Gap Matrix. So the Learner Gap Matrix shows you which qualifications your learners require. So if I look at Amber here, we can see she requires IELTS Managing Safely and an SMSTS, and we can book those directly from within the LMS. So this shows me a list of the available courses offered by this training provider. I can just go ahead and click details, shows me more information including a Google map, and if I scroll down, the detailed information, there's information on parking and refreshments, there's venue information, travel information, and profile information about the training provider. So I'm going to click to book the event. That adds it to my basket. All of my information is pre-filled, so I don't need to enter any further information. It's a really quick process. I can read the terms and conditions just to make sure I'm familiar with them. Then I just need to select the payment. So select credit card. Click to place the order, and I'm then taken straight to the secure credit card payment page. All of my details are pre-filled. Again, I just need to enter my payment information and the order is placed. Marketplace is just like an extension of the training provider's own website. So we can see a list of all of their training events here, and we can book onto those just like we did previously without actually leaving the LMS. We have notifications, there's a message in there about Genius, and we have messages. So these will be messages from the training provider to yourself. And the help files, if you're ever stuck, all of the videos and the help tutorials are all in there, and the logout button is there too.